Now we discuss about the problems belongs to polynomials. Exercise 4.4. Exercise 4.4. First one, determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 as a factor. Determine which of the following has a x plus 1 as a factor. First one, x cube, x plus x square plus x plus 1. This is a polynomial. P of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. X plus 1 is a factor or not? X plus 1 is a factor of P of x or not? We have to check in this problem. This x plus 1 is a factor of P of x or not? First we take x plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. We substitute the value of x is equal to minus 1 in the polynomial P of x. We get P of minus 1. The value of x is minus 1. We substitute x cube means minus 1 whole cube plus x square means minus 1 whole square plus x means plus into minus 1 plus 1, write it as it is. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 into plus 1. Minus 1 whole cube means minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Plus into minus 1. Therefore, in this case, minus 1 is minus 2. Plus 1 is plus 2. Therefore, these all this is cancelled, or minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled. Similarly, minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled. We get P of minus 1 is 0. Therefore, the remainder is 0. P of minus 1 is nothing but remainder. It is 0. When the remainder is 0, therefore, by factor theorem, we have to say x plus 1 is a factor of P of x. By factor theorem, when remainder is 0, the P of x minus a is a factor of P of x. Therefore, P of minus 1 is 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of P of x. This is the answer for this question. We go to next question. X to the power of 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. This is taken as P of x. P of x is equal to x to the power of 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. We substitute x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. We substitute the value of x is minus 1 in the polynomial. We get P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 4 plus minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square plus of minus 1 plus 1. We get minus 1 whole to the power of 4 is 1. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Minus 1 into plus is minus 1 plus 1, write it as it is. In this case, 1 minus 1 is cancelled, plus 1 and minus 1 is cancelled. Therefore, the remaining is plus 1. Therefore, P of minus 1 is 1. It is not equal to 0. That means the remainder is not equal to 0. By factor theorem, we say x plus 1 is not a factor of P of x. Therefore, by factor theorem, the remainder is not 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of P of x. We go to next question. Fourth question, x cube minus x square minus of 2 plus root 2 into x plus root 2. This is also one of the polynomial. This is taken as P of x. This is P of x. P of x is equal to P of x is equal to x cube minus x square minus of 2 plus root 2 into x plus root 2. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x is minus 1. Substitute the value of x is minus 1 in the above equation. We get P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube minus minus 1 whole square minus 2 plus root 2 into x means minus 1 plus root 2, write it as it is. Therefore minus 1 whole cube is minus 1, minus 1 whole square is plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus into minus is plus, plus 1 into 2 plus 2, plus 1 into root 2 plus root 2 plus root. Plus root 2 plus root 2 is, this is 1 root 2, this is 1 root 2. When we add we get 2 root 2. But minus 1 is minus 2, minus 2 and plus 2 is cancelled. Therefore we get p of minus 1 is 2 root 2. It is not equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. Therefore the remainder is not 0. Therefore by factor theorem x plus 1 is not a factor of p of x. Okay, we go to next question. Second one, use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x or not. Whether g of x is a factor of p of x or not. In this case also, by using factor theorem, first we know that already given in the problem, p of x and g of x are given. Therefore first we take p of x is 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. G of x is x plus 1. Therefore x plus 1 is equal to 0. We get x value is minus 1. We substitute the value of minus 1 in the above equation. We get p of minus 1 is equal to 2 into x cube is minus 1 whole cube plus x square is minus 1 whole square minus 2 into x is minus 1 minus 1. 2 into minus 1 whole cube is minus 2, minus 1 whole square is plus 1, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, minus 1, write it as it is. Minus 2 plus 2 is cancelled and 1 plus 1 and minus 1 is also cancelled. Therefore we get 0. The remainder is 0. Therefore by factor theorem g of x or x plus 1 is a factor of p of x or g of x is a factor of p of x. The remainder is not equal to 0, then we have to say the g of x is not a factor of p of x. But in this case the remainder is 0, therefore g of x is a factor of p of x. Next question, p of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 1. G of x is x plus 2. X plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore the value of x is minus 2. P of x is x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 1. We substitute the value of x is minus 2 in the above equation. We get p of minus 2 is equal to x cube is minus 2 whole cube plus 2x square means 2 into x square is minus 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. Therefore minus 2 whole cube is minus 8 plus minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. 4 2s are 8 and plus into minus minus 3 2s are 6 plus 1 plus 8 and minus 8 is cancelled. Therefore the remaining is minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5. Therefore minus 5. Minus 5 is not equal to 0. Minus, we get minus 5. Minus 5 is not equal to 0. Therefore the remainder is not 0. By factor theorem g of x is not a factor, is not a factor of p of x. Therefore, by factor theorem, the remainder is not equal to 0. Therefore, Pg of x is not a factor of p of x. In this case, the value of p of x is minus 5. Therefore, it is not equal to 0. G of x is not a factor of p of x. Okay, next question, third one. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. In these problems, p of x is given. In this problem, the p of x is given. In this case, x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. X minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Therefore, x minus 1 is equal to 0. P of 1 must be 0. X is equal to 1. X minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. Therefore, p of 1 must be 0 because this is the p of 1 is the remainder for this case. Therefore, it is a factor of p of x. Therefore, the remainder must be 0. Therefore, p of 1 must be 0. We substitute the value of p of 1 in the above equation. We get, first find the p of 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 1 plus k. P of 1 is 0. We substitute the value of p of 1 is 0. We get 0 is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus k. K is equal to plus 2. Shifted to left side, we get minus 2. Therefore, the value of k is minus 2. In this case, in these problems, we have to find the unknown values of k. Therefore, already given in the problem, x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Therefore, x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of p of 1 is 0. The remainder is 0. Therefore, we substitute p of 1 is 0, we get the unknown value. Next problem, p of x is equal to 2x square plus kx plus root 2. K x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Therefore, p of 1 is equal to 0. In this case also, p of 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, p of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2. Write it as it is. 2 into 1 square is 2 plus k into 1 is k plus root 2. Therefore, p of 1 is 0 is equal to 2 plus k plus root 2. K is equal to 2 plus root 2 is shifted to left side. We get minus of 2 plus root 2 or minus 2 minus root 2. We take the common minus. Therefore, minus of 2 plus root 2. This is the value of k for this question. We go to the next question. P of x is equal to kx square minus root 2x plus 1. In this case also, x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Therefore, p of 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Therefore, the remainder p of 1 is 0. P of 1 is equal to k into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1. Root 2 into 1 is root 2. K into 1 square is k plus 1. Write it as it is. K is equal to minus root 2 plus 1 is shifted to left side. We get plus root 2 minus 1. Therefore, k is equal to root 2 minus 1. This is the answer for this question. Next one, factorials. Already you learn about factorize in 8th standard. In this case, the coefficient of x square is 12. The coefficient of constant is 1. 12 into 1 is 12. Therefore, we take the factors. We take the factor 12. The factors of 12 are 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 12 1s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 2 6 are 12 and 1 12s are 12. In this case, we get the middle value minus 7. When we multiplying we get plus 12. When we adding or subtracting, we get minus 7. Therefore, the two factors are 3 and 4. 4 and 3, when we add these two, we get 7. 3 4s are 12 and 3 plus 4 is 7. But we get minus 7. Therefore, when we multiply minus 3 and minus 4, we get minus into minus plus. 3 4s are 12. Minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. Therefore, 12x square, write it as it is. Minus 7x can be divided into two terms, minus 3x and minus 4x. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Therefore, we take minus 7x can be written as minus 4x minus 3x plus 1, write it as it is. In this case, we take first we grouped the two terms, 12x square minus 4x and minus 3x plus 1. In this case, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4. Therefore, 4 is the common factor. Take him out. Therefore, 4 into, in this case, x square and x is a common factor. Therefore, 4x is the common factor. Therefore, 4 3s are 12, x into x square. 3x is remaining, minus 4x already taking out. Therefore, minus 1 is remaining, 3x minus 1. Minus 1 is the common factor. 3x, write it as it is. Minus into plus, minus. Therefore, 1 is, write it as it is. This is minus. 3x minus 1 is the common factor for both the terms. Therefore, 3x minus 1 is, write it as it is, and remaining terms is 4x minus 1. It can be grouped. Therefore, we get 3x minus 1 and 4x minus 1 are the two factors for the above polynomial. Next one, 2x square plus 7x plus 3. In this case, the coefficient of x square is 2, the coefficient of constant is 3. Therefore, when we multiplying these two, we get 6. This is plus 6. When we write the factors for this number, we get 6 1s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. But when we add these 6 and 1, we get 7. Therefore, plus 7, plus 6 and plus 1 are the two factors for this question. 7x can be divided into 6x plus 1x. Therefore, 2x square, write it as it is. 7x can be divided and split into two terms, 6x plus 1x plus 3, write it as it is. When we group two terms and then take the common factor, 2x is the common factor, x plus 3 is remaining, 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into 3, 6x, plus 1 is the common factor, x plus 3 is remaining. In the both terms, x plus 3 is the common factor. This can be taken out. We get x plus 3 is the one of the term. The remaining is 2x plus 1. This is the another term. Therefore, x plus 3 and 2x plus 1 are the two terms, are the two factors for the above polynomial. Okay students, next class we discuss about another topic.